What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another reaction, and this one we have trains at high speed around Europe. Very fast trains. Spain, Germany, Switzerland, and France. Before we jump in and look at these trains, if you happen to enjoy the video, please don't forget to smash subscribe, give the video a thumbs up so it gets suggested, and let's dive right in. How fast is that going? Oh, shoot! Why did that second one seem like it was going faster than that first one? I don't know why, but it just felt like that second one was going faster for some reason. We go. That was pretty fast. I guess it'd be better if I could see. Oh, god dang. I think when I can see it from a distance, they look faster to me because I can see them like. But when it's in the dark and I just see them when they pull up, they don't look as fast. From that angle, it doesn't look that fast. It just doesn't, to my eyes, that angle, it don't look that fast. That's fast. Now that looks like it's flying. Maybe it's the straight on angle that I can't. Yeah. God dang, look at the fence. I don't like this straight on angle. I like a side angle. It looks faster to me from a side angle than a straight on angle. That's slow. That looks slow. That looks slow. Oh my god. That's fast. Alvia, that was fast. Oh my lord. Jesus. Yeah, that's crazy speed right there. Here we go. That's gone. Perfect angle. That train's gone. God dang. That was pretty fast. Not the fastest, but that was pretty fast. Alright, moving over to France. Let's see how fast y'all are, France. Let's see, Eurostar. Fast, but not crazy fast. Not crazy fast. That's fast. That was fast. That's fast. Now that was fast. Definitely, without a shadow of a doubt, fast. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Not feeling it. Faster. That's faster. Now we're moving, TGV. Now we're picking up some pace. Yeah. That's fast. Now that was fast. That was speed. Doesn't look that fast. Doesn't look too fast. Oh. Jesus. Light speed. That's coming. Yeah. Yeah. That came with speed. Blink and you miss it. You blink and you're gonna miss that one. That was quick. That's coming with speed. That's coming with speed. Yeah, yeah, that one brought the heat. Yeah. Yeah. My days. Hey, France, y'all got some fast ones out there. France. Yeah, certain angles, I guess the cameraman got to get the right angle, first of all, for me to, know what I'm saying, actually perceive the train is really fast. But there were a lot of clips in there where I was like, oh, that train's moving. That train's going. That train's leaving sparks in its wake. That train's causing fires. Germany. Y'all got to be fast, Germany. I know y'all. That's not coming that fast. Nah. That one wasn't that fast. Still. Yeah. Still not that fast yet. Still not that fast yet. No. They're not moving yet. They're not moving yet. I'm not feeling it. That's coming faster. A little bit faster. A little bit faster. I need some speed. Come on, Germany. I need y'all to pick it up. Get into the game. Germany. Speed up. No. No, 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 no. Not fast. That's faster, but not super fast. Probably the fastest so far out of Germany's trains. No. Here we go. Here we go, Germany. There we go. That was speed, Germany. Keep them that fast. Keep them going that fast. Where the train coming from? Fast, but not crazy fast. Fast, but not crazy fast. I'm just not feeling it. Come on. Come on. No. Fast, but not crazy fast. That's slow. That was slow. It's so slow, it's still going. Faster. We're getting a little bit faster now, Germany. Getting a little bit faster. Switzerland, Germany. I ain't gonna lie, I was a little bit disappointed in y'all. Tad bit disappointed. I thought you guys were gonna wow me, impress me. I think France is, I don't know the exact miles, but from my perception, which could be completely off, France has some faster trains than y'all. France's trains were faster than you guys. Let's see what Switzerland got to work with. There we go. There we go. That's fast, Switzerland. Nice start. Nice start. Yup. Yup. Fast. Germany, that's fast. That's what fast look like. First train was a bit faster, Switzerland. Or felt faster. No, that's coming slow. Yeah, it's taking its time. Yeah, that's taking its time. Take your sweet old time. No. It's not that fast. What was the first? Was the first country Spain's trains? If it was, Spain and France have some fast trains. Germany, no. Switzerland, your first one was fast, but yeah, we're gonna need you guys to start picking up your speed. Switzerland and Germany, we're gonna need faster trains, and they might have been fast. My perception just might have been off. But that's all we have. I hope you guys don't hate me if I judge your trains as being slower. It's just a train. I don't think you guys will hate me over that. If you guys enjoyed that, please don't forget to subscribe, give a video a thumbs up, and check out the next one. See you guys next time.